Louboutin's painted red soles are instantly recognizable, but also extremely delicate, which is why this pair needed its sole redone. Vince's village cobbler started by marking where a rubber sole protector would go. The sole was sanded down to make it thinner. Glue was used to attach them. Any excess rubber was trimmed off. The heel rod was also removed and replaced. 3 different shades of paint were mixed to recreate Louboutin's iconic red. After a final cleaning, the heels were ready to be worn again. This Chanel Grand Shopping tote needed repairs after being burned by a candle. Leather surgeons started by removing all of the 24-karat gold-plated hardware, which was polished, cleaned, and replated. The burnt pocket couldn't be saved, so a replacement was made. Syringes were used to mix the perfect shade of pigment, and the color was carefully airbrushed onto the leather. The last step was reattaching the hardware. Vintage pieces like this Louis Vuitton vanity case have to be restored carefully. The artisan at the handbag clinic removed all of the hardware before cleaning the case. The vanity case's lining needed to be completely replaced. The lining also needed new straps and pockets. The hardware was polished, replated, and screwed back onto the case. These Valentino rock stud pumps got chewed up by a puppy. To replace the damaged heels, Evan's leather repair first unscrewed the heel pieces. The heel piece was carefully separated from the pump's leather sole. After stripping off the damaged leather, the heels were recovered with black patent leather. They were then glued onto the pumps and screwed back in. New rubber heel tips were hammered in too. This rare Mulberry bag needed to be cleaned, conditioned, and colored. The experts at the handbag clinic started by removing its handles and then turning the bag inside out. They cleaned and brushed the bag's suede interior. To restore the dry and damaged leather, nourishing solutions were applied. After the perfect shade of oak was mixed together, the bag was airbrushed all over. New handles were also cut, colored, and attached to the bag. Doc Martens boots are known for being sturdy, but sometimes the sole needs to be replaced. JD's Shoe Repair refurbished this pair by removing and replacing its sole. Resoling involves different layers that are glued, hammered, and stitched on. A special machine also helped press on the different layers. Any excess material was trimmed off. The new stitches were also painted over to hide them. And then the entire boot was conditioned to restore the leather to be supple.